had to do a part 2 because I ran out of storage. And now I'm sad. My phone's about to die. What is this phone? I don't know what this is I'm recording on. Just one more thing left. X-ray. Oh, it's stupid! What did I do that voice for? Okay, we're done with this, finally. You're probably like, why don't you see which one you got? Fine. Like, seriously, I don't want to see which one I got for some reason. I'm lazy today. Like, seriously, I do a part 2 and I'm moody. I have... What you? Yep, I have you. I have all of you. I have the mystery thing as well. It's a moth for me. I'm calling it a moth. I don't really know what it is. Okay, close you. Quickly open this one, which is Rippy. The thing I meant. Wait, that's not fair. Hold on a second. Ah. It's so satisfying even though I'm ripping it. So we get 2 openings. Why is there another Flappy Taffy? Yes. Aww. Mochi Mochi. Ah! No, wait, why do I have trash up here? If my trash thing is behind me. Stop talking, my opening. What is this? Oh yeah, who's that girl? What's your mood? My mood is crazy. What you want? I'm not gonna open this one. So this demon gets out of my sight. Yep, we're gonna do LOL things. Shut up, Sunny. Any animal, I don't really care. Num-noms! I have to open this first. Oh, it still has plastic, but I'm still opening it. What? I'm blind. Not actually blind. If I'm blind, how will I be opening this? I don't care. Blind people have a YouTube channel. I'm still gonna do whatever I want. I'm just joking. Sniff here. It has a scent. Big num num. Baby. I have the baby boy. Can't get this fat thing out of the jar. Surprise in a jar. You're struggling. We're gonna have to come back to this because I'm struggling. That's gonna be the last thing we open because I'm not mad at it. I don't know what's on it. LOL! I'm the queen of LOLs. Actually, no. I'm not. Every time my mom gets an LOL, no, she doesn't open it. She gives it to me. My mom mostly only gives me LOL stuff. I have a ginormous plushie of Neon QT back at my house. My house, I mean, I'm at my aunt's house. What's this? Lightning in the tree. I had to flip it over to actually read it. Of course I did, because I'm blind. I can't see it. This hair in my nail. Which is really sad because I've been petting animals all day. Ow! My long nails. nails done, which I clearly ripped off, except for my toes. I do rub off my toes ones. How can I rip off what? Just continue. Oh my god, there's so much trash behind me. Seriously, there's a table behind me that I normally film on. And it's full of trash right now. So I didn't open so dirty trash on the dirty floor. It didn't go all the way, and now I'm angry. That's it. My nail was messed up again. If anyone that watches my videos, I think it's my hair. And sometimes I like my own videos. I love these ones where you get this thing now and you fill it with water. I think this is one that you can do that. If I just open it. Satisfied. Oh yeah, this is to decorate it. Oh, it's in the trash area. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in my chair that I always drop it. Quickly open this. Fat fingers. My fingers, actually. I think I've had this one before. I don't know. But I haven't had it. Almost put this in the trash area. I'm gonna open this demon thing off camera. What I mean is I'm going to stop the camera, open it, and then take a picture of it. So I can know how much struggle I went through. Shut up, Prudence. Prudence is a dog that walks around crazy. Oh yeah. I think we got a pet this time. I bet we had. Did I just smile? Yeah, we are getting a pet. Or maybe the baby is wearing the shoes. Or maybe it's baby and you have to grown up. Or the teen version. Baby! Oh my god, she's so cute. I've never had this one. Which one are you? Yeah, this one. I found your head. Now I have to actually open it and find which one you actually are. I want to tell you what pets I have. I have Junior Prom Princess. I have Tough Monkey. And now I have Little Grandmother Queen. She's the one I just got. And I have little... I can't say that. I have more. I know that. I have more little ones. I got a glitter one. I got this one. This is like so exciting. Most exciting thing that's happened in my life. Except for going to Universal. Yes, I'm going out of my comfort zone. Seriously, at my house. The only place I am the whole damn day is my room. Either I get up to get a damn snack, or I never get up and let people feed me, like give me food. Meow. Oh, it's a little bee, I think. It's a koala. It's so cute. It's Quali. Your name is not Quali. Quali. Koala. I never had a mochi before. I'm actually gonna try the mochi Num Nums again. The Num Num again. Yep, I got M002. Oh my god, I almost put that in the trash section. And I almost just put that in my water. Is this like a tattoo? Oh my god, why do I always turn to the trash? This capsule. This is my favorite thing in the world. go ask someone for help because I'm weak. I got someone to help me. Ooh, it smells nice. Meow. Meow. Oh my god, I love this thing. Why do I want to cut it? Like, why do I want to cut this beauty out? Like, she's like, no, I don't want to come out. Wait, there's two. I felt two. Or maybe it was just my imagination. Wait, no, I felt two. Oh, wait, no, it's a bubble I'm feeling.